Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be downloading and configuring the software and firmware for the RAMPS 1.4 or whatever motherboard you're using. And what you're first going to need to get started is Arduino. Now you just search Arduino and you go to their official site. Just go to their software tab and you want the Arduino IDE. Whatever system you're using, whether it be Linux, Mac, or Windows, which I'm using Windows, you just click on it. It'll be the same for others. Just click just download. You can contribute to them. That would be great. They're a great organization. But you would just run that, and then you would set it up and everything, and then you could actually use it. So to actually get the firmware you'll need to go to Marlin. Just search Marlin firmware, go to the official site, and click download. It'll direct you to this page. Just use the latest release, which for me it's 1.1x. Just click that, and then go to the file that you send them both to. I'll go there. Set up Arduino. And then decompress Marlin, because it comes in a compressed zip folder. So once you get it decompressed, head into Marlin, and there you go. You get all the files that you'll need. So you'll just scroll down here to Marlin, which is the file that'll open everything up. Now here's where I get into the problem and why I really made this video. So if you look right now, it's actually going to open up with Arduino. But that wasn't the case when I first started. Before, it was going to open up with WordPad. And it was a pain because you can't edit anything in WordPad, let alone configure it. So you had to do something else. Well, Google solves everything, right? No, not really. But it does give you a great starter. So I went and searched it on Google, and I found this. So after following the directions, you end up here. I scrolled down to the file I wanted to open with Arduino, and well, it's on Arduino now. But Arduino is not going to show up because it's not a main program. So you're going to have to look for another app in the computer itself. And this page doesn't have the options for you to do that. So instead, you're going to have to actually go to your file folder, left click, right click, and you can press open with. Press choose another app and scroll down, more apps, and then look for another app on this PC, which is exactly what we want. So instead of going through and finding everything that we need and wading through millions of files, actually you can make it a lot easier on yourself. So just close this, and you can go back to the file that actually had your Marlin and the Arduino. Click up top, Control C to copy the place where it's actually at. Then you can go back into your files and left click, right click, open with. Just follow the same steps that I already gave you before, and you can just copy paste it in here. I'll use Control V and press enter. Don't press open. If you press open, it'll mess up. So press enter to actually go to that place. Click Arduino and open it with that. It'll open right up, but for me, I haven't actually installed Arduino, configured it. Sorry. So it's going to ask me to uninstall the other configured version. But I don't really want to do that because I don't want to go through all the configuration settings. So instead, I'm actually just going to skip that, and now it will actually open with Arduino. So you double click on it, because this is what it'll do for you guys. It'll bring it up, and you go into the Arduino editing, and you go to configuration.h, and you'll configure everything. It will take some time and energy, but you can configure it. Now I won't step you through everything, but there's a guy that did. His name's Thomas Sandler. He's a great guy. I've been watching his videos for like a couple of years now, actually. He puts out great 3D printing videos. Definitely go check his channel out, but he steps you through everything you need to do, but he just didn't address the problem. I thought I would make this quick video on how to address the problem of not being able to open a file with a specific program. So 2 for the price of 1, right? Well, sure. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. As always, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.